Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Lumen5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lumen5.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Lumen5 website. Now you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log into your account and you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, to delete your account, click on your user account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the delete account button. Go ahead and click on delete account and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. After clicking on the confirmation button, you might be asked to enter your password. So just type in the password and proceed forward and your Lumen5 account will be deleted. Just make sure not to try logging in for at least 1 month in order to permanently delete your account. But if you change your mind at any time, you can once again log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Lumen5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.